It seems like lately I've been hearing two things when I speak to shop owners. It's either one, the supply chain issues, so it's the fact that they're having a hard time getting parts. And the other major thing that I hear more than anything else right now is that shops are really understaffed. If this is you, just know that at ASC, we want to be more than your marketing company. There's no point in driving you more business if you can't get it done. So if you need help finding a general service person or even a master technician or even a service advisor, just know that at ASC, we can help you do that.